Hi, I am Starkey from driftworks.com, and today I'm having a closer look at the Japan Racing JR17. So the JR17 is only available in 18-inch diameters and then only available in two widths, 8.5 and 9.5. So this wheel is designed primarily for the Euro scene. So it's aimed at like the Audi, Golf, Seat market. So it comes in as standard two PCDs, which is 5x100, so like for your Mark IV Golf, or 5x112 for your more modern Golf, like the Mark 6 and 7 and the Audi A3s. So like I said, it comes in two widths, 8.5 with an offset of 35, which again bolts straight on one of those cars, and 9.5 with an offset of 40, and again bolts straight on with a little bit of stretch and camber. We can get this wheel custom drilled. So if you want to put these wheels on your BMW, which is 5x120, we can custom drill these for you. This wheel only comes in a single colour, which you can see here, which is the machined silver face. This is the 9.5, and it's got a slight amount of concave to the face, which is quite cool. But yeah, it's definitely a wheel that is aimed at the Euro scene. And I think it would look good on an aired out Golf or something along that line.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.